Dubai chocolate taste test.
Taste test. This is so fresh bakeries, fresh manti. The struggle is real. Like, I can't anymore. Okay. Bitti. First stop is changing money, but the rate is really good. So the Canadian dollar is worth 29 Turkish lira here. The USD is worth 41 and the euro is 40. Yeah. Oh my god, it's really good. And this is Silvana changing her money. So you can see people wearing winter and then others wearing summer. The second stop is Shok. We bought iron.
Our favorite.
And show them what we got. We got water also.
We got a Dubai chocolate.
We want to try the Dubai chocolate, so we got it. And I got this chocolate.
Oh wow.
And we're here for only one night, so I got my little sister noodles.
Yeah, she wanted it.
Try the Turkish noodles.
Oh, this one is new. I didn't.
Yeah.
Cheers.
It's good.
So bad. Look at my hands.
Oh, me too. Guys.
The misery behind the trouble. But we're almost there. And look at the view behind us. See? We made it.
Okay, this is the inside of the hotel. This is like the reception. Now we're going upstairs. Okay guys, here is the room. Quick room tour. So we have a long mirror, a double bed, a window for the street, TV, AC, table, kettle, fridge. I think everything you need for one night and more. A comforter. The washroom is really clean and modern, which I really like. And that's it. We made it. We're gonna get ready and go out again. So first we're gonna do the Dubai chocolate taste test, the supermarket edition.
Turkey edition.
Turkey supermarket edition.
It looks like this.
Oh,
we can do the first one.
Look at the color. It has like green,
Like the original.
marble green.
The original one. However, it's so sweet.
How much do you rate it?
6 out of 10.
Same thing. Cause is it good? Yeah. Would I buy it again? No. It's too sweet for me.
Yeah.
Only good if you're hungry and you have a sweet tooth. Guys, we got ready and this is the outfit. Hopefully it will keep me warm. So sneakers, black pants, white chemise. This bag has water and an extra scarf. Then here's Silvana's outfit. So we got these pants from Zara, cute crop top, a scarf, and they have also a chemise and a bag. Okay guys, it's currently 7 p.m. and we're out and we're gonna eat out and about. About to eat. Yes. So yeah, this is like the street after our hotel street. It's just there, you turn right or left actually. And here is Istiklal Street. The one over there. There is so many restaurants and bars in this street. So if you like
So this is nighttime Istiklal Street, how it looks. It's actually cold. So you see people are wearing winter clothes. Need help? She has been craving this for the longest time. We're also gonna buy kestana later. Bu kestana fiyatı ne kadar?
Şu paket yeter mi?
Sonra, bu şimdi. Sonra geliyor.
Şimdi mi?
Hayır, sonra. Teşekkürler. Taste test. How's it? It's good.
Diğer küçük maçlarda bunu yapmıyor.
It's really yummy. Guys, second stop is guys, we're gonna try this one, the doner.
Gençler buyurun, var mı? Gençler var mı bekleyen? Arkadaşlar buyurun, gençler var mı bekleyen?
4 tane ıslak hamburger.
Evet abi.
Gençler hamburger 4-3, 2 tane ayran.
Evet gençler, hadi bak. Gençler.
I have eaten so much better. Bread is not good. Okay, this is what I actually came for. That is like hamburger.
Arkadaşlar buyurun, gençler buyurun, var mı bekleyen?
By the way, this was the most expensive doner. Like it was a 370 Turkish lira. The usually doner's average price 200 to 230. Yeah, this is a big scam. All the tourists go there.
Here in Istanbul, go to other places. Don't buy from Istiklal.
It's not good. However, I recommend for the Islak hamburger. It's like
Islak is 10 out of 10, guys.
we're holding each other because it's so enough. Now you love me, huh? Gratis. Guys, another stop at Gratis. And all these hair masks, I want to try them. It's a local Turkish brand. It's called Nightlife. And it's first time I see such hair. And we also have these ones. I also want to try this. So I don't know if you can see. My hair is currently destroyed from the sea and the pool all summer in the sun, so I definitely need hair therapy. So yeah, Gratis is an actually really good place to shop for shampoo, conditioner, hair care, skin care, all these in Turkey. I totally recommend, and if you have a Gratis card, it will save you up a lot of money. So every price have another price. You see, this is supposed to be 165, but if you have the card, it's 97. So guys, I bought so many things, and I only paid 400 Turkish lira, which is the price of the doner sandwich that I didn't like. First time in Istanbul, Turkey, we saw this and we thought like, wow, this is so cool, we have to try it. It's called authentic restaurant, because we saw this show how cool it is. So they make fresh bakeries, fresh manti, yet it's not that good. Tell them why.
Eat there, guys, once you're rich.
Okay, Turkish delight place. It's really nice to be here because it's kind of fun. You can try that. Oh.
Green one, very good. Hello, welcome. You want to try something?
The other side. This is nice. However, everything here is also expensive, like in Canada. So this jacket, I would say it's $100, 100 plus. So don't expect to find cheap shopping in Turkey. Everyone who believes you can shop cheaply in Turkey, you cannot. Please understand that. This is nice too. Here. However, it's also 2,500 Turkish lira. Do the math to realize it's expensive. When you're so cold that you're looking for winter clothes, like show them the other one. She has like a winter sweater in her hand. I need that. I need something that's warm. I like it actually. I don't know if it's soft, like this is 700 Turkish lira. So Silvana tried one. She said she doesn't like the material though. Like it looks pretty, but she said the material is not as comfy. Me, I'm so tired, so I'm thinking of it. She was trying this one and she likes it so much, to be honest. How much is this? Wait, come here. 700. Oh yeah, the lighting here is so pretty for you showing off the clothing. One more item. She said this material is better. And it's how much? Turn around. This is 800. So when you go 600, above 600, the material gets better. Yeah. By the way, you guys have to size up here. Silvana is usually a small, yet here she's a large. Stop. I think it's gray. I'm not sure.
Merhaba, buyurun.
Welcome to Istanbul! Guys, in front of Mavi store, there's this street full of souvenirs and fish restaurants. Look at all. I really like it. Guys, I bought a mug. As always. Show us what you get. This one. It has all the Istanbul things. Should I get the same? Get it. This place feels like another world. Wow. Good morning. So this is the next day. I forgot to end the night last night. However, we are getting ready now to leave, and we're just gonna walk around Istanbul for like Istiklal Street to get something to eat, and then we are heading to the airport. So we're getting our luggages down. Guys, just to show you, the hotel is super safe. However, if you're looking for super clean, I do not recommend for a long stay. So it's convenient, cheap, safe, location is perfect, but the cleaning part, I couldn't really say the same. Hey guys, we stopped for one simit. And this is how Istiklal Street looks in the morning.
Here at 360.
At the street cats. We do.
Guys, let's do a taste test. Honestly, this is just my first time trying it here. And for me, I don't really like the meat and the Istiklal Street much. I don't know, this one is not my favorite. I find it too chewy.
But this
She likes it.
Usually it's too dry.
My favorite. It's eatable, but not my. She likes it. 5 out of 10. How much?
And now I'm kind of running to catch the bus because it's 11:05 and the bus leaves at 11:15.
This living is challenging. Okay guys, I'm doing a taste test of the chicken strips here at the airport. It's really good. I actually rate this 10 out of 10. It's so good.
Okay, McDonald's fries worldwide is the best fries you can ever have. Okay.
So you can never go wrong with fries. Let's try the McDonald's fries here in Turkey. This is the worst fries I have ever eaten. 0 out of 10. So dry. It tastes very old.
I got the quarter pounder with cheese from McDonald's. Let's see how it looks like. This is how it looks.
Also, it's super salty. So yeah, so bad.